Justice Bahati Mwamuye, presiding at Milimani High Court, yesterday suspended the planned recruitment of 10,000 police constables that was scheduled for November 17th. The judge issued conservatory orders stopping the exercise after a petition questioned the constitutional authority of the Inspector General of Police to oversee the process, directing the matter to be heard before any recruitment proceeds. The petition was filed by activist Eliud Matinde, who cited under Article 246, Section 3A of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, which clearly assigns the National Police Service Commission (NPSC) the responsibility to recruit and appoint persons to hold or act in offices in service. Matindi argues that this means that the recruitment mandates rest solely with the Commission and not with the Inspector General or the National Police Service itself. He further condemns that allowing the IG to conduct the exercise violates the principle of separation of powers under Article 10, Section 2A of the Constitution on the national value and governance, which demands the rule of law, accountability, and transparency in public service operations. The Inspector General Douglas Kanja had announced plans to recruit 10,000 officers across 422 centers countrywide, with the exercise expected to run from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on November 17th. The NPS maintained that it acted in good faith and within its operational mandate, citing under Article 245, Section 2B of the Constitution, which gives the Inspector General independent command over the National Police Service, though not administrative control over recruitment. This legal confrontation follows earlier court ruling that had already halted recruitment efforts. On October 2nd, the Employment and Labor Relations Court issued a temporary order to stop the process, while in October 30th, Justice Helen Wasilwa ruled that the NPSC should not proceed with recruitment until the legality of its involvement was clarified. That decision opened the door for the NPS to take over, prompting the latest challenge by Matinde. Justice Mwamuye ruling yesterday effectively freezes the Inspector General's November 4th notice, stating that the matter raises substantial constitutional questions and public interest consideration that must be resolved before the recruitment can lawfully continue. The court has directed the petitioner to serve all respondents and interested parties without delay, set filing timelines, and scheduled a mention for January 22, 2026 to confirm compliance and determine the next course of action. Until then, the recruitment remains suspended under the protection of under Article 23, Section 3C of the Constitution, which empowers the High Court to issue conservatory orders in the enforcement of fundamental rights. The suspension leaves thousands of hopeful applicants in uncertainty. Legal experts note that the outcome will clarify whether recruitment is operational or constitutional mandate, a ruling expected to define the balance of authority between the Inspector General and the National Police Service Commission. The case resumes on January 2nd next year. For now, all police recruitment activity remains suspended as the High Court examines the constitutional issue at the heart of the dispute. Reporting for Tandao News Outlook at 1, I'm Florence Simio.